Hi everybody, I just wanted to get on really quickly and give you a weekly preview for April 27th through May 1st. Can you believe it? It's already May. And it just feels so weird to not have seen you since December. So I hope you're doing well, and we are going to be wrapping up this geology unit soon. So this week, we have the pacing set for you just so that you can try to finish this geology unit by May 15th. So by Wednesday, you're trying to finish 8-6. And so 8-6 is the notes and the clock. If you're doing the paper copy, what that looks like is this is the notes. And then there is a separate video for the clock. If you're picking up the hard copies of the notes, the clock is also in those hard copies. If you're doing the digital notes, you don't need to do the drawing of the clock, obviously, but you do need to do the analysis questions at the bottom. And these are a little tricky, so if you need any help with those, I'm very happy to help you out with those. Let's go back to the preview. So that's 8-6. You're doing the quizzes, the study guide, and the Canvas quiz as all the other sections. All right, and then by Friday, we're looking for you to do the 8-7 activities. 8-7 is about Precambrian time. So Precambrian time was a huge chunk of time. So we're talking about 4 billion years long was the duration of that era. And then the trackway on page 12 is the other activity. Let me scroll to that. I've had a few questions about that already. And if you take a look at it, basically, you're just making some inferences about what's happening in this picture. So, a lot of students, and this is just one example, talk about how we have one animal entering here, another entering here. You can talk about how big the animals are in comparison to each other. You can maybe tell if they are walking on 2 feet or 4 feet, or maybe if they're running, if you can tell if any of that's running. And then you have something happening right here where you have both footprints, right? I'll let you infer what's happening because then you only have one set of footprints coming out of the picture. So, what happened here with the two animals that only one set of footprints is walking away? So you can make your inferences there. So basically, an inference is just a guess or a conclusion as to what is going on based on the picture. And then you have some free choice. You have the quizzes, the study guide, and the Canvas quiz again. All right, and then next week is May 4th to May 8th, and we're looking at finishing the note sections. So 8-8 and 8-9, finish up the notes. And then the following week will be your List 20 vocabulary quiz, and it will be the geology test, and then test corrections. So looking for, wrapping it up in the next few weeks. So please ask if you have any questions, email me. I'll hold another Zoom the next week to review. So hopefully you can make that. All right. Have a good week. Email me any questions you need. I'm happy to help you. Bye.